Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, I welcome you to Sri Chandra Distance Learning Program. Dear second year students, in our last class, we were learning about the topic Al-Murakkab At-Tawsifi. We had solved exercise number 1 and exercise number 2 in our last class. Inshallah, in today's class, we will proceed towards exercise number 3, exercise number 4, and exercise number 5. We will do these 3 exercises. First 2 exercises are fill in the blanks, and the next one is correct the following sentences. Okay. Here it is given exercise number 3. The first exercise was Uktub al-Juz'ain min al-Murakkab at-Tawsifi bil amthilati. Write the two parts of possessive phrase, write the two parts of adjective phrase with examples. This was our first exercise. What we have done, we have written al-Murakkab at-Tawsifi as it is. Then we have written part number 1. Then part number 2, al-Mawsufu, the second part, as-Sifatu. Then al-Amthilatu heading. Then we gave 3 examples. Okay. Like Kitabun Jadidun, Qalamun Qadimun, a new book, an old pen. Talibun Dhakiyun, intelligent student, like this. In our second exercise, he was asking Ayyinil Murakkabat Tawsifi. Identify the adjective phrase. So the sentence was given and we have to find out the adjective phrase from the given sentence. Yesterday we had done it. Today we are proceeding towards exercise number 3 is fill in the blanks with suitable mawsuf. Fill in the blanks. Imla'il faragha bil mawsufi al munasibi. Fill in the blanks with suitable mawsuf. Okay. As you know that what is al mawsufu? Al mawsufu means described noun. Here exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. Imla, fill, al-faragha, blanks. Imla il-faragha, fill in the blanks. Fill the blanks means fill in the blanks. Imla il-faragha. Imlail faragha. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Bil mawsufil munasibi. Bil mawsuf al munasib. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable mawsuf. Suitable mawsuf. Mawsuf. Suitable mawsuf means described noun. Okay. So here blank A, hadihi dash mashhuratun. Hadihi dash mashhuratun. Okay. Hadihi dash mashhuratun. What will come in the blank? So here, what is suitable? Madrasatun. Hadihi madrasatun mashhuratun. Okay. Madrasatun is given. 5 options are here. So first we will take all the 5 blanks on the board, then we will take the options, then we will solve it together. B. हाउलाई डैश मुश्तहिदूना, हाउलाई these dash मुश्तहिदूना. हाउलाई डैश मुश्तहिदूना, these dash hardworking. So we will solve it together after taking all the blanks. C. हुन्ना डैश जय्यिदातुन, हुन्ना डैश जय्यिदातुन, they dash expert. Okay. D. हादिही डैश जमीलतुन, हादिही डैश जमीलतुन, अल मकानुल खाली. Okay, this dash beautiful. Last one E. Are you able to see the last one E? Okay, you can see it here. Huma dash jadidani, Huma dash jadidani. These are our blanks. I will write the options here. Okay, instead of writing underneath it, underneath the blanks, I prefer to write this side because you may see clearly here. First is madrasatun. Madrasatun is given and Talibani is given. Next one is Mohandisuna. Mohandisuna is given. Hadikhatun is given. Last one is Muallimatun. Muallimatun is given. Got it? These are the 5 options which will be given underneath the blanks in the exam. Okay. What you have to do, you have to fit the suitable word into the blank. Now we will start solving the blanks. Here you see, hadihi this dash mashhuratun. This dash mashhuratun famous. This dash famous. So here madrasatun school is this is famous school, or Talibani 2 students, Mohandisuna engineers, Hadikhatun garden, and Muallimatun educators, teachers. So what is the most suitable word? Madrasatun is suitable. We will write madrasatun here. Madrasatun. So the translation will become, this is a famous school. This is a famous school. Got it? Now, haulai dash mujtahiduna. Haulai dash mujtahiduna. Haulai means these, and mujtahiduna means hardworking. Dash hardworking. So who are those dash? Here, because mujtahiduna is plural, haulai is also plural. So we will prefer the plural in this blank. Muhandisuna is plural and muallimatun is plural here. So muallimatun used for female gender. Here mujtahiduna is male gender. So we will prefer muhandisuna. Muhandisuna. Haulai muhandisuna. Haulai muhandisuna. Mujtahiduna. These hardworking engineers. These are hardworking engineers. Okay. These are hardworking engineers. Now come to blank number 3. Hunna dash jayyidatun. And now the remaining words are, this we have used, this also we have used in the blank. Now remaining are muallimatun, hadikhatun and talibani. So here hunna, they, dash jayidatun, expert. They are dash expert. So they are muallimatun, teachers, expert teachers, hadikhatun, garden, talibani, two students. So the most suitable word here is muallimatun. Hunna muallimatun jayyidatun. Hunna muallimatun jayyidatun. They are expert educators. They are expert teachers. Got it? Now this we have used. Now remaining hadika and talibani. So hadi dash jamilatun. And huma is dual noun, dual pronoun dash jadidani. This is also dual. So in this dash hadihi dash jamilatun, we will write hadikhatun. Hadikhatun is suitable. This is beautiful garden. This is a beautiful garden. This is a beautiful garden. Next. Muallimatun, remaining. This one, hadikhatun is over. Now remaining talibani. So huma, they both are talibani jadidani, new students. They both are new students. Talibani jadidani. They both are new students. Got it? This is our exercise number 3. We have solved. Once again, I will read for you. Make your corrections. Imla'il faragha bil mawsufi al munasibi. Fill in the blanks with suitable mawsuf. Describe now. Blank number A. Hadihi madrasatun mashhuratun. This is a famous school. This is a famous school. Second one, haulai muhandisuna mujtahiduna. These are hardworking engineers. These are hardworking engineers. Hunna muallimatun jayyidatun. Hunna muallimatun jayyidatun. They are expert teachers. They are expert teachers. Okay. D. Hadihi hadikhatun jamilatun. This is a beautiful garden. This is a beautiful garden. Then E. Huma talibani jadidani. Huma talibani jadidani. They too are new students. They too are new students. Got it? Take the screenshot of the board. Taken? Right. Now we will proceed towards the next exercise. I shall rub the board. You do not try to write it down now itself, because you will write a bit slow. So I would request you to write later. Instead of writing now, you may write it down later in your notebook. Just understand it now, then later you may copy it down in your notebook. Got it? Take the screenshot. I shall rub the board. Completed? Next exercise, exercise number 4. The fourth exercise is also belongs to the same category, fill in the blanks. Okay. Fourth exercise is also belongs to fill in the blanks, but here he will change this mausuf. Instead of mausuf, he will give another word. Okay. What he is giving here, fill in the blanks with suitable adjective. Imla'il faragha bis sifatil munasabati. Bis sifatil munasabati. Okay, bis sifati. Earlier it was given bil mausufi. Now he is giving bis sifati. Okay, adjective noun, describing noun. First he was given described noun. Now he is asking you to fill the blanks with the suitable adjective. Fill in the blanks with suitable sifat. Means adjective. Okay. A. We will write all the 5 blanks at a glance, at once. We will write all the blanks first, then we will start solving the blanks. A1. Ana talibun dash. Ana talibun dash. I am a dash student. I am a dash student. So we have to fill this blank with the suitable adjective. We will do it later. First we will write all the blanks one after the other. Hadihi sayyaratu. Hadihi sayyaratu. Dash. This is dash car. This is a dash car. C. Tilka hadiqatu. That is a dash garden. D. Ulaika auladun dash. Those are dash boys. Next, E. Nahnu tujjarun. Nahnu tujjarun. We are dash businessmen. We are dash businessmen. This is the end of the blank sections. Here are the options. Instead of writing underneath the blanks, I am writing beside it. We will choose from the given words in the most suitable answer. Here it is given first mushtahiduna. Mujtahiduna. What is the meaning of mujtahiduna? Mujtahiduna means hardworking. This is a plural. What sign indicates the plural? Waw and noon. Waw noon is the sign which indicates the plural form. Mukhlisuna. Second word is mukhlisuna. Mukhlisuna, sincere. Next, jamilatun, beautiful. Jamilatun, beautiful. Next one is jadidun, new. Okay. Last one is khadima. Khadimatun, old. These are the 5 options. From these 5 options, we have to select one for each of the blank. What we will do first, we will go for A. Ana talibun dash. I am a dash student. So here are the options, 5 options. Mujtahiduna. This is used for plural. So talib is singular. So we will leave it. Mukhlisuna is also plural. We will leave it. Jamilatun is feminine gender. Talibun is masculine gender. We will leave the Jamila as well. Jamilatun. Then jadidun and khadimatun are remaining. Khadimatun is feminine gender, so we will prefer masculine gender, jadidun. Ana talibun jadidun. I am a new student. Jadidun will come here. The most suitable answer is jadidun here. Ana talibun jadidun, I am a new student. Hadi sayyaratun dash. So, Hadi sayyaratun. Here, the most suitable words are Jamilatun and Khadimatun for the sayyara. So, this is a beautiful car. This is a old car. Okay. Any one blank we will take as an answer. Okay. Any one word from these two words we can take the answer. It will become correct. But here the most suitable one is Khadimatun. Old car. Khadima. Khadimatun. This is an old car. This is an old car. Next one is Tilka Hadikhatun. That is a dash garden. So garden means it by nature it looks beautiful. So we will prefer Jamila here. Jamilatun. The garden is beautiful. Sorry, that is a beautiful garden. That is a beautiful garden. Next, Ulaika auladun, those are dash boys. Those are dash boys. Those are hardworking boys. Mushtahiduna. Mushtahiduna. Those are hardworking boys. Now last one. Nahnu tujjar, we are dash merchants. We are sincere merchants. Mukhlisuna. We are sincere merchants. Got it? Take the snapshot of the screen. Take the screenshot. Not taken. Right. The screenshot is taken. Now I shall read once again. Then we will go for the next exercise. Okay. Imlail faragha bi sifatil munasibati. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable sifat means adjective. A. Ana talibun jadidun. Ana talibun jadidun. I am a new student. I am a new student. Hadihi sayyaratun qadimatun. This is an old car. This is an old car. Hadihi sayyaratun qadimatun. This is an old car. Tilka hadiqatun jamilatun. That is a beautiful garden. Tilka hadiqatun jamilatun. That is a beautiful garden. Ulaika auladun mushtahiduna. Ulaika, those are auladun mushtahiduna, hardworking boys. Those are hardworking boys. Nahnu tujjarun mukhlisuna. We are sincere merchants. We are sincere businessmen. Nahnu tujjarun mukhlisuna. Got it? Okay. Now we will proceed towards the last and final exercise of this lesson. Exercise number 5. Shall I rub the board? Okay, thank you. Thanks for your permission. Here we go. Now exercise 5. Fill in the blanks will come in 6 marks section. Okay. Whereas the coming exercise which we are going to solve will come in 5 marks section. Okay. What is the exercise? The exercise is correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. He will give you the incorrect sentence. Minor error will be there. You have to correct it and rewrite the sentence. Here we go, exercise number 5. Fifth exercise. قم بتصحيح قم بتصحيح. Okay. قم بتصحيح الجمل. Okay, قم بتصحيح الجمل. Correct the following sentences. قم بتصحيح الجمل. Correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. This is the last exercise, then this chapter will be over. This chapter will be closed. Next, inshallah, in our next class, we will start section prose. So this is the last exercise. Try to understand it very well. A. The incorrect sentence is given. At-tufahu. At-tufahu fakihatun. Fakihatun. Ladidun. At-tufahu fakihun ladidun. Answer, jawab. What would be the answer? Here, first we have to find the error. Okay, what error is given in the present? What error is there in the present sentence? So if we observe at-tufahu is subject here, the apple. Fakihatun ladidatun is a tasty fruit. Tasty fruit is adjective phrase. Okay, fakihatun is feminine gender, whereas lazizun is masculine gender. So in this way we can find out the error that ladidun is not correct with fakihatun. Fakihatun is mausuf and ladidun is sifat. So sifat must follow mausuf in gender. So what we will do, instead of ladizun, we will write ladidatun. Okay. At-tufahu, we will rewrite the sentence, whole sentence. At-tufahu fakihatun ladidatun. We will add round to it and we will underline the error word. Okay. We have find the error in ladidun, then we have corrected it. Okay. Ladidatun. At-tufahu fakihatun ladidatun. The apple is a tasty fruit. Now it has become totally correct. So minute mistake was there. Instead of ladidun was given. We have to take ladidatun. Ladidatun. This is the correct one. Because for female mausuf, the adjective will also be female. Now, B, sentence B. What he is giving? Mahmud talibun al-kaslanu. Mahmudun talibun al-kaslanu. Mahmud is a lazy student. So, Mahmud is a lazy student. Here also, we have to find out that talibun is mausuf and it is a nakira noun and al-kaslanu is sifat. So, sifat must follow the mausuf in the state of definiteness and indefiniteness. So, mausuf is indefinite, so we have to we have to change the sifat to indefinite. Okay, we will drop al from the al kaslanu, then the sentence will become correct. Jawab, Mahmood as it is, Mahmood talibun kaslanu. Kaslanu we have corrected, so we will underline it. Got it? Now two more sentences are there. So I request you to take the screenshot of this. Then we will proceed toward the next one. Taken? Now I am rubbing the board. Then we will take the two more sentences. Then we will close our class. Shall I rub the board? Okay. Here. Two more sentences, then our class will be over with the end of lesson number 2 from section grammar. Now CD. Answer. What is hum awladun saghir? Hum awladun saghir. And the last one is hadihi bintun salihatun. Okay, these are the sentences which we have to correct it. Hum awladun saghirun. Awlad is plural and awlad and saghir are mausuf and sifat stage. So awlad is plural, saghir is singular. So we will change the saghir into plural. Hum awladun sigharun. Okay, they are small, they are young boys. They are small boys or they are young boys. Okay. Now here also, hadihi bintun salihatun. Here, this is also in mausuf sifat stage. Bintun is singular, mausuf is singular. So the sifat will also be singular. Instead of salihatun, we will write salihatun. It's okay. Hadihi bintun salihatun. This is okay, listen the translation. This is a pious girl. This is a good girl. End of second lesson from section grammar. Take the screenshot. Inshallah, in our next class, we will start. What we will start? We will start section prose, lesson number 2. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.